watch YouTube. The last 2 weeks been crazy, crazy busy. 2, 3 weeks. So let's get back in the groove. I've probably forgotten most of the stuff I learned. So yeah, it's been interesting to see how much information I retained. Let's put some music up in this bad boy. All right. Bum, 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 bum. If I could rap about coding, I would. All right, all right, all right. See if that goes in that window. Yo, 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 yo. Bum, 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 bum. All right, let's do this. So we log back in. Let's open up the notes. All right, so where were we? We done some CSS. We were doing some. Oh man, we were doing some cool stuff with grids and all that good stuff. So we shall see how that's gonna go today. All right. So we were halfway through this. Yeah. Grid. There we go. I remember doing this grid. Let's see how much I remember. There's another built-in function to use the grid template column and a grid template row called minimax. It's used to limit the size of items when grid container changes size. In this code, grid template columns is set to create two columns. The first is 100 pixel wide and the second is minimum width of 50 and a maximum width of 200. Ah, interesting, okay. So use min-max function to replace 1FR, 1FR resize to see the effect. 1FR, what is 1FR? I guess, can I do this? 1FR, whoa, min, max. Minimum width of 90 and a maximum width of 1FR. Is that how I do it? No, that's not true. Okay, so
Are you a fun lover in need of a little extra cash?
oh
Then trade in your
wow,
games and gadgets at
and
Sex.
no,
Gemma
thank
sold
you.
her old phone to Sex to
How
get
do I
into
pause
horse
this
riding.
advert?
But is the Grand National the best place to...
Okay, so what are we doing? Create the container class should have grid template column. Oh, what am I doing? Doing. All right, that's what I'm doing. So, um, okay, 1FR. So 1FR is going to be the first column. All right. Get some music up here. One FR. Minimum width of 90 pixels and a maximum width of can be 1FR2, right? Let's try that. No, that does not work. Okay. That is set to repeat 3 times. This is set to create 2 columns. First has 100, okay, and the second has a minimum width of 50. Oh, so I need to, so that's 2. It's to repeat 3 columns. Oh, I never put in min max, did I? So minimum 90, maximum of 1. That's 2 columns. So how do I make it? Another one. Hey. Nope. Do I just add like 3 of them? Is that what I do? Reset. Yeah, reset. I guess I'm just meant to. Okay, repeat 3 times. And maybe it's just min. So in between that, it's going to be minimum 90 pixels and 1FR. Oh, yeah, that's it. So I was making it too complicated. Oh, I don't exactly know how that's going to play out. How are you looking? Okay. See, let's go create a flexible layout using autofill. Remember, the repeat function comes with an option called autofill. This allows you to automatically insert as many rows depending on the size of the container. So you can create flexible layouts when combining autofill with min-max, like repeat, autofill, min-max. So when the container changes sizes, the setup keeps inserting 60 pixel columns and stretching them until you can insert one another node to a new one. Okay. Alright. How's that gonna look? Alright, so in the first grid right here, use autofill with repeat. Okay. Autofill with repeat. He doesn't seem to like the causes and everything. Okay, autofill, and that will fill the grid with columns that have a minimum width of 60 pixels. Wait, was that all? Autofill works almost identically to autofill. The only difference is that when container size exceeds the size of all items combined, autofill keeps inserting empty rows or columns and pushes the item to the side, while autofit collapses those empty rows and stretches you. Okay, we can play around with that. In the second grid, use autofit. In the second grid, use let's see, autofit minimum 60, maximum. Okay, and if I did autofill, right? So kind of okay, it's kind of like justifies it. Ask me later. Ask me later. That's a funny bunny rabbit. Bubbly bubbly rabbit. Alright, let's. Oh, it's a funny rabbit hole there, man. Okay, CSS Grid. Use media queries to create responsive layouts. It can be easier to make a site more responsive by using media queries to rearrange grid areas, change dimensions of the grid, rearrange the placement. In the preview, when the viewport width is 300 pixels or more, the number of columns changes from 1 to 2. Yeah. Oh, really? No, it doesn't. Oh, yeah, it does. There we go. From 1 to 2. Interesting. When the viewport is 400. Oh, I think I can actually check that. If I go inspect. Anyway, check that later. Okay, when the viewport is 400 pixels or more, so I'm gonna do min max minimum width. So this one means 400 or more. Make the header area occupy the top row completely. Occupy the top row completely. Grid template areas. Add for header. Add for content. Footer. What is that? This is the grid, right? So I guess it's that. There we go. Header. I think that's it. Nope. I mean, it covers the whole thing. What do you mean? Oh, but then it does it. Oh, no, it doesn't. Yeah. 400 and then it covers. Why doesn't it like it? Oh, the footer too. I think that's what I want. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. There we go. Alright, we're about to pop open some drinks. Create grids within grids. Grid within grids. What the heck? Turning an element into a grid only affects the behavior of its direct descendants. So by turning a direct descendant into a grid, Your grid wasn't grid. Alright, so we're gonna need some music. We are gonna play some beats, and here you go. Ba ba bum 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 bum. NoFreebeats.com. Oh man, okay. By setting display grid template properties, with item 3 class. So grid template columns width of auto 1F. Did that do anything? I don't think that did anything. Oh. Ah, there you go. So that's how you do it. Grid template columns. Interesting. Oh, so maybe I don't need the brackets. Pretty sure I need the brackets. Oh, there's no comma. Interesting. Nicely done. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay, here's where we're gonna start doing some projects now. I am going to. Okay, sure. Time to put your newly learned skills to work. By working on projects, you would have the opportunity to build a tribute form. Sure, go to the first lesson. Okay. Build a CodePen.io app that is functionally similar to this. Dr. Norman Borlaug. Okay. Sure. For further below, user stories. Okay. These ones. We can do that. You can do that. You can build a project by forking this. What is a forking? What does that mean? Fork. How do I fork? What the hell is a fork? How do I fork? What do you mean fork? Is that forking? Nope. Oh, look at that. I've got a pin. There we go. Okay, this is now forked. Whatever that means, I have no idea what that means, but hey, we are forked. Okay. My tribute page should have an element corresponding ID is main. Okay. So we're basically building and rebuilding this. Okay. What I'm gonna do is okay. Let's just put it aside. Let's make it small. All right. I'm guessing I'm gonna meant to write the code here. Take it to the side. And this one we're gonna zoom in. There we go. Okay, so HTML. Hello, camper. For now, the test suite only works in Chrome. Please read me. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, whatever. I don't know why that bundle, but okay. So we need, I guess that's a H tag. Header 1. That would be Dr. Norman Pollock. Hey, look at that. Cool. And then we're going to give that a P tag. That's going to be the man who saved 1 billion lives. That's going to be, looks like one section, so let's throw that into a div. Pretty sure that's how you do it. Whoop! Okay, tab. Okay, cool. That's one div. We're gonna add another div, and this one is going to have the image. So the image was img src equals something something, and then a close tag. What is the source of this picture, my man? Do we have a link? Okay. But where's the okay, maybe just go open image new tab. Yep, this is what I'm doing. Grabbing this. And then there we go. There's the picture. All right. We're making moves. All right, P tag on O tag of P tag. It's a happy P tag. P tag. There we go. So in the P tag, we are just going to, I'm going to copy paste it. There's no point typing in. Okay, why is it showing up? There we go. And then we're going to wrap all this thing on another div because it's a different color. So that makes sense to me. Div and a close div. All right. And within that, I'm going to add a H2. Should do it. Here's a timeline of Dr. Thingy's life. Okay. And we're going to need some, what do we need? List items, right? So that's going to be li. I think it's li, and then within the list we put, this is an unordered list, so unordered list, OL, or is it UL? Let's Google it. Ordered list, HTML, there we go. There we go. It is OL, but I made a mistake. It's not li. OL, and then LI goes in between those. LI goes here, my man. Alright, how many got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 of these. 2, 5, 10, 15, 16. There we go. Oh, I'm gonna have to bold the text, aren't I? This is just a copy paste exercise at this point. Hey. Got the second one. It's the third one. Fourth. Fifth. Okay, can I make this longer so the entire thing? There we go. That looks easier to read. Alright. 1944. Oh. 1995. Alright. Jokes on who is to survive. 1970, got 83. 84. 2005 and 2009. Okay, that's his entire. Oh, and we got a little quote. Quote. Guess go. I think there's a thing for quote, right? HTML quotes. Quotation elements. Yeah. I think it's just a block quote. Block quote, and then where does a quote go? Oh, it just goes in between the block quotes. There we go. Indian Prime Minister Manmohan Singh. Mr. Manmohan Singh. Mr. Manmohan Singh. Okay. I mean, our page is not looking very good. We'll do the CSS. I want to build the pages up first. And then if you have time, you should do this. Sure, man, I can do that. So to do that, I believe we just go. That's gonna be. Oh no, man. H2 again. Double headers, I guess. I'm just guessing right here. You know what? maybe the user story. Okay, for now we'll leave it. But oh no, we also need a Wikipedia entry. Wikipedia entry, and this one needs to be around a link. So I believe you put a tag, a closing a tag. And then href equals maybe. I don't know. HTML link anchor tags. Oh, ahref. So you don't. No, yeah, I was right. Yeah, that's how you do it. So I need to grab this link. Oh, it's this guy. I have no idea what that is. Who is this guy? I'm building a website, but I don't even know who this is. Is an American agronomist. So it's like something to do with agriculture. Yeah, it's agronomy is a science and tech of producing using plants. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Alright, close. Oh man. Oh, that's what this is. So we need the test. Run tests. 0 out of 0. Great. Oh, I can select actually tribute page. Oh yeah. I passed 1 out of 10 and I haven't even looked at the user stories yet. Okay. Right, we are going to go ahead and stand up for a bit because I'm sitting down all the time back. Okay. Okay. Okay then, there we go. So I think we got all the content in play. Oh no, did I get the Wikipedia link? Hell yeah. But I wanted to open it and no, please tell me you saved it. Please tell me you saved. Did this Oh dude, I lost all that. Nah, come on. How does this work? If it doesn't automatically save, what's the point? Yeah. After you save once. Oh man, so hey, if you're watching this and you realize that you lost your work, it's because you need to save once. God, come on man, what did you tell me before? Oh man. It's alright. Practice. Practice is good. I still don't think I'm doing this right though, so I'm just gonna copy that. And I'm gonna go into my projects. Yeah. Okay. So I'm just gonna go to my work and yeah, make one. Add this and save. Oh man, that is good. That is good because practice. All right, I've already done it once, so the second time should be a breeze. Let's go through it again. That's what we're doing. All right, now that we know what goes where, I'm just gonna bring this down. Do a little bit of that. Okay, so we need a div. Right, so that's for this section. This is for the picture section. This is for the final section, right? Yeah, 3 divs. So this one we're gonna need a h1. We're gonna need a p tag. Oh, it's gonna go here. And then within this, we're gonna need an image with a source equals, and then we're gonna need another p tag underneath it. This one is 2h3, man. Excuse me. So we need ordered list. No, unordered list. Can't remember if it's hello UL. We can change that though, no problem. And we need a list item. 16 of those. Oh, don't know how many I did now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. Alright. And yeah, let's copy paste it. You do see how fast the second time is now though, because we had practice the first time. But repetition is also good. So thank you, Code Pen, for teaching me a very difficult lesson there. Hmm. Do, 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 do. 962, and wow, it's a Nobel Prize winner. I didn't even read that last time. Fair enough, man. This guy's a Nobel Peace Prize winner. 2005, and then ultimately 2009 was his 95 though, man. That is impressive to live up to 95. Okay. Class, why are you showing me that? I don't want that. Alright. What does that actually look like? Oh, that's sick. That's cool. You know what we missed earlier? We needed to bolden the text. I think it was B, was it? To bold. Oh. There we go. Let's see if that bolded text. Yeah, that's what we need to do. So we need to, oh man, we need to add a B tag. Okay, I'm gonna copy the B because that's easy. Ooh, that rhymes. Not really. Oh, got an additional thing. Probably easiest to paste, and then do a second roundup. Probably quicker than clicking it a couple times. Dun, 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 dun. And I'm going to take this bad boy and just repeat. Oh, don't repeat. All right, and then this is going to be a block quote within another block quote, right? And the text is going to be this. I actually want to italicize that. I think I'll just do that. Does italics? Yes, it does, but that's not what I want. Okay, so I need a break on reaching scientific. I need to add a break. I think it was in BR was a break. Scientific was another one. And then yeah, just do that. Unexpected character. What do you mean? Okay, so I need So if I had multiple line breaks, how's that? Yeah, that works. That will work just fine. Okay. Save, man. Hell yeah. We gotta save. It's gonna be cold actually. Let's put some jacket on. Okay. Alright, so we got the HTML down. I don't think we need any JavaScript, so let's get rid of that. Let's make it half. So we got the basic blocks down. Oh no, we didn't add the thing. Come on, man. How you gonna miss that? H3, close tag. Oh man, this is gonna be this thing. Wrapped around a anchor tag with reference to Wikipedia. Wikipedia entry. Let's grab Mr. Norman Bolog. How do you do your anchor tag to open a new tab? Anchor tag, open new tab. There we go. How to open link in a new tab? So you href target equals blank. Let's try it. All right. Save, man. We about to save. Pen save is good. Look at that. A new tab. There we go. All right. Okay. So we are now going to do some cool CSS stuff. Although, where's my... Oh, I never added a header. Okay, copy. Yeah, I don't think I added the pictures too. Image source. So we did this earlier. Grab this link. And the p tag, we needed this. Doo-doo-doo. There we go. There we go. All right. Let's actually look at the user stories. Maybe it has some helpful notes. Hopefully. Okay, user story num. The tribute page should have an element with the corresponding ID equals main, which contains. Oh wow. Which contains all the elements. I have not done that, so I need to give it a master div, huh? Let's make this do. All right. We're gonna call this the master div. Nope. Come on, man. All right. So all of this leads to a nope. I missed one of them. Oh, crap. Start again. And this one wants an ID equals main. We can do that. I should see an element with a corresponding ID equals title, which contains a string that describes the subject of the tribute page. Okay, we can do that. So this one is going to have an ID equals title. Nope. Maybe. Okay, maybe I think this needs title. Yeah, that makes sense. ID equals title. I should see a div element with a corresponding ID image div. Okay, yeah, I got that. I got you. So ID equals img div needs to go around quotes. Man, I'm passing all the stories, I think, anyway. So if I save and go look at the page and try and run it, 4 out of 10, yeah. Oh, I am passing it. Boom, boom. Alright, I'm gonna pause the stream and I'll be back in like 10 minutes, okay? Okay, I'm back. I am back. It took a bit longer than I expected, but all good. We have. Um, okay, so where were we? We were doing the user stories. So, user story 4 is done. ID image. User story 5 within the image div element. Mhm. I should see an element with a corresponding ID image caption. Hang on. What within the image div element? I guess you're talking about that. So I need a ID equals image caption. Is that what you're talking about? Is that what you're talking about, son? I don't know what that means. Well, let's see, right? Let's see if the test passes. If it says 5, then that's what they want. No, it's not. That is not what they want. That is not a 5. That is still a 4. That is still a 4. Alright, let's set that down, man. That is still a 4, and 4 is not what we want. Let's get the music back on. I don't understand what this means. Within the image, I should see. Oh, does it just want it to be like here? Maybe. Maybe that's what it wants. Oh, I even failed one now. 3 out of 10 to. What did I mess up, man? The heck? Okay. That is not what it wants. Yeah, ID equals image caption. Oh man, are you serious? I think I know what's going on here. So this is the caption, ain't it? So yeah, I think that's what I need. Um, yes, that's what I needed. Man, that was dumb. Should have known about that, man. All right. Image caption. So that's story number 5. Story number 6. I should see an element with a corresponding ID tribute info. Tribute info. Which contains textual content describing the subject. Okay, I think. Oh, look at that! I never added that in. H3. What is H3? What is H3? I never added it. Here's a timeline. There you go. I missed that completely. Completely missed it. Okay, here we go. Okay. Okay. So now that we got that, story number 7. I should see an A element ID tribute link. Um, tribute link. Oh, I think it's talking about the Wikipedia at the bottom. So you want me to add an ID, man? I can do that. Tribute hyphen link. Target. Hey, target equals blank. I knew that. I already did that. So that should pass. Let's see. That should pass 7 out of 10. Yep. Story number 8. The image element should responsively resize relative. Okay, I think there's gonna be some CSS. Yeah, let's copy that in there so we know what we need to do. And the way you make it. How do you comment in CSS? Is it this? Comment CSS. Ah. Oh. Oh. So that, and then to close it, we do. Boom. Yeah. Okay. The H and R. Yeah, this is more CSS stuff. I'm basically putting it in so we can then code it in. That makes the most sense to me. So what about the 10th test? What the? I don't know. I don't know what the 10th test is going to be. Kind of confused right now what the 10th is going to be. But no worries. All right, let's add some Okay, let's add some CSS design. So we need, I think I've got color picker, Chrome extension. There we go. Colors, okay, which one's good? 1214. There's a couple more people. It's almost 5 stars. All right, there we go. Add extension. Yep. We wanna highlight that one. All right. So color is going to be that. Okay. And the way you add it, is by going. Okay, that's whatever. I think you just go background. No, it's not a background. It's for that particular div. What's the div? Target info. Dot target. Pretty sure that's how you do the thing. Background. Color. Did that do it? I did something. No. What am I doing? It's not target info. It's main. It's main, man. Main. No, main has everything. It's this div right here. Equals. I'm gonna put first. Just so I know what I'm doing. Did that work? No, it didn't. CSS target ID. How do you do target ID? Oh, ID is a hashtag. ID is hashtag. That does not quite make sense. But it's okay, we'll try and make sense of it. It'd be cool if I could move this to the right and not. Is there a way to do that? Change view, maybe. Yeah. Details view. Yeah, that looks better. Yeah, there you go. That's easy to see. All right. Oh, it did add it. Look at that. Oh man, it did. It did. That worked. That worked. So, I think what's going to be easier to do is for delete all that. So this can go. Let's copy paste. All right. We're gonna add in a new tab, so we can just go flip back. We're going to flip back and forth. We're going to flip back and forth. All right. So how do we put these two in the middle? So I got title, div ID first. Yeah, I think I can just target first. Oh, I cannot. Why? Won't let me code? Are you serious? This is annoying. Full page. Debug mode. Oh man. Yeah, I guess this will have to work. So what I'm looking to do is text align center. Yeah, no. CSS align items. How do you do that? Display flex. Alright, show that, whatever. I remember doing display. Yeah, that did work, but that's not what I was looking to do. Flex. Line content is probably better, huh? Boom, boom, boom. Although it still needs flex. I'm gonna need flex. So I need display. I need all that. How would we go display flex? Flex wrap. Okay. This is looking a bit more challenging than I thought it would be. I think CSS Tricks had some things on. There we go. Grid. No, my good sir. That's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for code sandbox. Nope. I think it was these guys, but I did not want grid. I wanted flex. I want flex. 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 There we go. Flex. Flex box. Right. So we need a display flex, which we do. Flex wrap does that. Okay. So maybe it's. I can't remember what flex wrap does. Just two. Um. Yeah, give me some examples, man. Height. Row wrap. What is that? What was a row wrap? Flex flow. Is that on top because I put flex? Yeah. Is that it? I don't think I need flex, do I? Align content. Remember say you work, yes, okay. CSS. Maybe it's align items. Keeps wanting me to do flex. Yeah, that is not what I want. That's going vertically, so how do I do it horizontally? Yeah, how do I do that? Hmm, margin. So margin doesn't. Maybe it's just text align. Text align. Hey, wow, that was it. Text align. Oh my god. Oh my god. Um, I do need it. Need some padding. Set 10. Yeah, that looks about right. Wow, it took so long. This heading's bigger. Um, oh, font hyphen size. That's what I did. Oh, I didn't need the dot. Okay, interesting. Plus 40 pixels. Yeah, that looks about right. Dunk, dunk, dunk. Okay. So picture. That is also. Alright then, so hashtag boom. I guess we can just copy paste this, right? The background's going to be white, which is all F's. I think if you do 3, that's all we need. Hey, look at that. It's already put in the middle, man. Boom, boom, boom. This is awesome. I was feel like a coder now, doing basic CSS. All right, FFF, da da da, all good. Now we are going to make the whole thing gray again. What's the div for that? So let's give an ID equals. This is the what should we call it? What should we call it? This is going to be the list items. It's going to call it list. ID is a hashtag. Boom, boom, boom. And then the first thing we're going to do is, well, let me just copy this again. Background. Do you know what? Because everything's. No. Well, yeah, I wouldn't need it 3 times, right? So if I actually did. I'll show you what it means. So boom. I think you just do a comma. Basically, I'm trying to avoid typing too many lines of code. So I think if I just do that, get rid of all that, get rid of that. No, my man, we're gonna need oh yeah, that's what I meant to do, sorry. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna get rid of that is what I meant to do. Padding's not needed here, background. Yeah. So the problem is this one is meant to be FFF. And first. I don't know if that's the same one of code or not. Boy. Oh boy. We don't want text align center for list. Alright, let's get list out of there. Dude, oh, that's because of that. Okay. We want the H, whatever the H is. That's gonna be H3 to be center. Alright, whatever. We'll just type it in and see if we can prettify it later. So H3 is gonna be text line center. Those center, cool. Order list. Let's give it a ID as well. Number 1, 2, 3, whatever, right? All that good stuff. What we're gonna do is numbers 1 to 3. What we're gonna do is number 1 to 3. That still needs to be centered, but I don't want it to be justified, right? So I don't think center is gonna do it. Didn't even do anything. I need a hashtag. Yeah, that is not what I want. Justify. How the hell do I make it look like that? Oh, I remember doing this with the Flexbox thing that I last stream. That will work. Okay, can't do that. Let's run. Alright, let's run the test, see what it looks like. Alright, we'll figure this out in a second. New story. The image element should responsively resize relative to the width of its parent element without exceeding its original size. How the hell do I do that? Width is 100%. Maybe. That's what I want. The image element. So if we want to find the image, is basically image div. An image div with an ID, so that is going to be a hashtag again. Width 100%. right? Just that is not what I want. Because if I make this smaller, it does not become smaller. So is that gonna need MIDI queries? What I don't know is why does it say relative to its parent? I'm gonna save this. Okay. How do I make it do that? I'm not sure. Okay, alright stream, I'm gonna end this here. It's almost 3 o'clock. I'll be back tomorrow and we'll get this done, alright? Yeah, wherever you catch this video, thanks for hanging out, and I'll see you in the next video. Alright, peace.